To be able to control and conquer your life, you will first have to understand how this entire game of life is set up. Yes, it is a game. It has been made more complicated than it needs to be. And now you will have to unlearn a lot of things and learn what is real in order to conquer this. But first, you must understand some truths. These are going to sound maybe a little spiritual in nature, but don't get too engrossed in the uh, terminology. Okay, understand what I'm trying to say here. I also got involved with spirituality in my 20s, and although it has its own upsides, now that I'm in my mid 40s, I know better. So, listen to me carefully. Your life is entirely in your hands. Yes, we have been taught as a culture to point at other things outside of our control and point them and say that no, but this is not what I've chosen, that is not what I've chosen, this shouldn't have happened to me, that shouldn't have happened to that person. Yeah, it may seem true, but that also sort of gives away your power. That means that some arbitrary entity has just decided these things for you and you have just gone along with it, or you're forced to go along with it. So you have no degree of control over it. So that's one of the reasons why I don't like giving my own individual power away to anything, be it planets, stars, anything that determines my future or says that, oh, this means that, that means that, that means you can only achieve this much, that much. I don't like that kind of talk at all, nor should you, because it's not true. Hear me out. So, all of this that you see on the outside, let's talk about some important things: your bank balance, your relationship status, your health, so your body also, and what else is there? Career, friends, respect. These are all basic necessities, right? That you need to live a good life as a human being. All of these are very moldable, they are changeable, so much so that this is the first principle, that anything that has happened in the past, right up to like this past moment that has gone, nothing in the past can determine your future. The only missing thing in this whole equation is you. The magic ingredient for manifesting your dreams is you. You have to just open your eyes and participate in your own life. Look at only your own self. Everything else will fall in place. And that is why this outside world is called Maya. It's illusory. It looks like this outside has a control over you. But that's only because we don't know better. We haven't known better before this. But now, hopefully, at the end of this video, you will know better. So forget about blaming. It's a waste of time, right? Forget about bringing somebody else to justice. Unless you are a law enforcement person, police, judge, or lawyer or someone, it's not your job. Your job is to awaken to this truth that you are the only one who is running your life. Trust me on this, friends. Complaining about the past, asking somebody else to take responsibility for their mistakes, uh, blaming the economy, blaming the collective condition of our planet, and then deciding that you are also a part of it, so you will also be suffering exactly how everybody else is suffering. This is your choice, you're making that choice. So, this is the greatest illusion, right? And this is what I'm saying. It might sound a little spiritual to you, but it's not spiritual. I'm not trying to get you to be more spiritual, not at all. You have to understand that this, all of this is a lump of clay, and you literally mold it moment to moment to moment. Every moment you choose to mold it in a certain way. So that molding happens through your inner workings. We'll get to that in probably the next video. So know this for sure, everything can change. And all this time, you have allowed the outside to dictate to you who you are. Simple things. If your outside looks a certain way, you decide that that is me. Your bank account, for example, if it looks a certain number and it doesn't make you happy, you think that that is your reality. And then because you have called it your reality, that is what sustains. Are you getting me? It's the same with your body. Your body is also a part of the illusion. It's a part because it's made of material, right? So it's a part of this Maya. It's a part of this illusory world. So even when you want to change your bodily conditions, whether it's some sort of illness or better health you want, better fitness you want, it's also part of this outside illusion, and therefore it can change. So if you look down at your body and blame it for how it is in the current moment, how is it going to serve you? So you are choosing right now, unfortunately, because you don't know better. You're choosing to do that. It's the same with relationships. Do you know that even outside, everything is working according to the script that you're going on playing in your head? Everybody is just reading the script that you are reading in your head, and they're behaving accordingly, and then you're like, see, I told you so. Yes, you told so, and therefore that's exactly how they're behaving. That's it. You have to believe me. Just believe me because I'm saying it. Because if I had known this in my 20s or 30s, my life would have been very different. Not that I'm complaining, but it would have really helped me to know all of this for sure. And yeah, so I don't want to sound very spiritual or whatever, but this material world, that's not your reality. That's just a manifestation of everything that you've held true for yourself in the past. I'll give you an example. So if you start working out today, this morning you've started working out, do you think muscles will develop by this evening? It just doesn't work like that. Understand how this life is set up. This is not how things work. So your current body is a result of the choices that you've made in the last months and years, right? So, but if you start working out today, you will see the results after some days. So it's a delayed reflection, right? Your body is the best example for this. It's the same principle for everything else in your life. You can't change the outside in that sense that if you want more muscle and less fat, you'll not be able to like cut fat out of your body. Like that's not how it works. Or if you keep staring at yourself in the mirror, change, that's not how manifestation works. No. You have to assume a role of being the fit person first, and then everything else happens. More on this later, but know that every single condition in your life can change. The only person, only element that is missing in this is you. That's it. See you in the next video. I'm going to upload these, I think. I don't know. But if it helps, please subscribe and like. Take care.